Vespa lineup here. So as you can see, all the Vespas come with this suspension auto cover, which is a chrome cover. It looks nice from far away for some of you if you like chrome, but for me it's just another ugly plastic looking piece on your Vespa that you really want to get rid of that. So we got the perfect solution for that. So as you can see here, we got here an ET4, a Primavera, and a GTV, and they all come with this ugly looking plastic arm cover. Sometimes when you lay the scooter down, you know, they get scratched up like that, you know, they look pretty bad. It's a pretty expensive part to replace, and as you can see here, it doesn't have any scratches or anything, and they're exactly all the same, you know. If there is any difference of it, they don't look pretty nice. They just snap in like that and give a nice look to the bike. But if you're like me, that you don't like chrome anymore, this is just old and classic, and I don't really like it. So look at this beautiful thing. Look at that. It looks really nice. This is a CNC machine, titanium color. Take it out from the box and look at that beautiful thing. That thing's just gonna look amazing on the bike. So we're gonna proceed and install this beautiful piece into our Vespas. We got the Primavera, the ET4, and the GTV, and we're gonna be changing that ugly looking thing. We got different colors, you know. We also have it in black. Look at that beautiful thing. And I think this one is the one that I'm gonna put in my ET4. Look at that beautiful thing. Wow, just very shiny and very high quality. Let me give you a closer look of that. Look at that. Look at the silver one. If you still want to go with the chrome looking, this is actually the best option to go. You're still gonna have that chrome look into your bike. And last but not least, we got the beautiful red one. If you have a red Vespa, why not go with the red? That thing's gonna pop out really, really well. We got the full lineup. We got all those colors that we have. They look really amazing, as you can see here. Okay, so let's proceed and start with the GTV. We're gonna be swapping the black one in here. So on the box, all you're gonna get is the actual piece, and inside the box you're also gonna get all the hardware included. This little Allen key with 4 fasteners in there, see? So the way you're gonna install this is you wanna get started those fasteners into these holes, which those are the ones that are gonna hold the piece in place. It's actually a pretty secure system. Okay, so once you have removed your piece from the box, you wanna get the hardware out of the bag. Be careful with those tiny little screws. You got 4 little fasteners there. I don't know how you call these Allen key fasteners. So you wanna start, just give it a couple of threads until it's nice and flat in here. Proceed and slide it in place, and then you want to tie down those 2 pieces. You don't want to tie this all the way just yet, so you just want to like snug it in there, because once you tie the one in the bottom, they're gonna press in. Just a tiny bit. It doesn't have to be flat at all, but you just want to like feel the tension, and once it's like there and you feel it's not coming anywhere, it should be good to go. And once you tie the ones in the bottom, you can come here into the top and finish unscrewing those. Just a snug in there, nothing crazy. And that's it. That's how you easily swap that beautiful CNC piece into your Vespa. It looks really nice and it makes the bike look a lot more unique. Make sure you check down in the description below for all the links. If you want to get yours, you can visit scootabout.com, and we've got a bunch of selection of cool accessories to make your Vespa look more unique. So thanks for watching. Click that like button, subscribe to the channel, and see you in the next one.